So we put the code in and we made it flash, and we tried to make it so when the lights would turn off, they would turn on, but we couldn't quite get it to do that, so we got it to flash. Okay, so this is our final project. It's a little ghost that pops out every time the lights turn on, and it relates to art because we drew the ghost. And yeah, here's it with the lights off. And it pops up.
So
yeah, so we wanted, yeah,
it's better in real life, but
yeah.
So yeah, we didn't quite get the light sensor to work, but you guys help us out.